So guys, let's see if you could actually use a side hustle. And that, I don't want to say qualify, I just want to say, is it something that you think you may need? Well, let's see. Are you retired and maybe your savings just isn't enough money? Are you like, say, one accident away from going broke? Do you generate any kind of an income for you or yourself or the household or anything? Is anxiety and sadness a couple of big emotions that float around in your head? Well, how about you do something about it? And now to do it, you have to actually take action. And if you're willing to take the action to do it, I'm willing to help you. So what do you say, guys? Should we do this? Later. Bye.